Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Twitter app. To know how to fix or how to solve your Twitter app, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window of Twitter. Here in this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Then you will enter to storage. After that, we click clear cache. In the end, you can go to Play Store. You can click here in this blue sign update to update your app of Twitter, and you can turn off your phone in the end. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.